Right, so we're going to do another example constructing our tree diagrams. This time we're talking about restaurant choices. So at Teresa's restaurant, each lunch special consists of a sandwich, a salad, and a beverage. The sandwiches choices are roast beef, ham, or turkey. The salad choices are macaroni or potato. The beverage choices are coffee or soda. Use the counting principle to determine the number of lunch specials offered by the restaurant. All right, well, we have 3 choices of sandwich, 2 choices of salad, and 2 choices of a beverage. Right, so 3 times 2 gives us 6, times 2 again gives us 12. Right, so we're going to have 12 sample points. Right, so construct a tree diagram and list the sample space. All right, so the first thing we have an option of. Right, as far as a sandwich goes, we have roast beef, ham, or turkey. So here is our first choice. Right. And then for each of these, we have a choice of salad. Right. So macaroni or potato. Right. And then for each of these choices, we have a choice of beverage, either coffee or soda. So now we're going to list out our sample space. And we should expect 12 different combinations based on our answer to part A. All right, so we're going to start with our roast beef. So we could do roast beef, macaroni salad, coffee, roast beef, macaroni salad, soda. Roast beef, potato salad, coffee, roast beef, potato salad, soda. All right, now ham, macaroni salad, coffee, ham, macaroni salad, soda, ham, potato salad, coffee, ham, potato salad, soda. All right, and then finish it off with our turkey, macaroni salad, coffee, turkey, macaroni salad, soda, turkey, not macaroni anymore, potato salad, coffee, turkey, potato salad, soda. So again, our sample space has our 12 sample points, which should not be a surprise based on our answer to part A. All right, now that we have our sample space drawn, we are going to use this to determine the probabilities down at the bottom here. So if a customer randomly selects one of the lunch specials, determine the probability that both a roast beef sandwich and soda are selected. All right. Alright, so roast beef and soda. Alright, so if we look at our sample space, we have roast beef macaroni salad and soda, roast beef potato salad and soda. Right, so that's going to be 2 out of 12, which is going to reduce to 1 out of 6. Alright, D asked us for if a customer randomly selects one of the lunch specials, determine the probability that neither macaroni salad nor coffee are selected. Okay. All right, so neither macaroni salad nor coffee. These top 6 all have macaroni salad, so we can't use any of those. This one has coffee, so we cannot use that one. This one works. Right? Roast beef potato salad soda. And then we also have ham potato salad soda and turkey potato salad soda. Right? So these are the 3 options that are neither macaroni salad nor coffee. 3 divided by 12 gives us a probability of 1/4. Oops. All right, so again, we constructed Our sample space, after we used our counting principle to decide how large we expected it to be, and then we went through, and once we had our sample space listed out, found our probabilities that we were asked for in parts C and D.